Well, folks, I'm gonna get myself some breakfast going here. I know people want to see you start a fire from the beginning. I don't usually do that. I don't, starting a fire is starting a fire. But real fine birch bark that I peeled off and I just worked it in my hands and got it nice and soft and lots of contact points to catch sparks off the ferro rod. And then you just strike her. And there she goes. As you can see, I found a different purpose for this pan that I cooked my steak on. These Forest Service fire pits are the pits. They're 18 inches deep. You can't get a fire going down in there to cook on and reach down in there and do any good cooking because it's so deep. So I take this pan, this grill thing, turn it upside down like this, and I'm using that for a fire tray. And I can set my frying pan right on the coals once it gets established. I think it'll work good. Well, now I got to get all my fixings together. I'll be right back with you. Well, for starters, folks, I've got a nice chunk of ham. I'm going to dice that bugger up. I'm going to dice that ham up, get it cooking on there. Then I'm going to scramble some eggs into it. Yes, sir. Catch you in a minute. Okay, I'm frying up this ham. And then once this ham is fried up, it's as simple as scrambling 4 eggs into it, and Sty's eating breakfast. Boy, does that ham smell good. Wow. I got bacon for tomorrow morning. Okay, let me get my eggs. Okay, I gotta throw some butter in the pan. Now I'm not seasoning these as I cook them. I'm going to just put salt and pepper on them later after I'm eating. Season them to taste. Now we're cooking. There is nothing like meals in camp. And to me, breakfast is right at the top of the list. Yeah, there's a pretty good breeze today, and it's mostly cloudy, but the forecast said only a 20% chance of rain. So I don't think we're going to see rain today. And like always, no plates, a frying pan, and a fork. Okay, folks, check out the goodness. Oh, scrambled eggs with ham. You can't beat that. Especially out in camp. So, there we go. Hot, hot, hot. Oh, oh. That's going to give this old man some energy. I swear it. Yeah. So the whole process, getting the fire going, cooking my breakfast, everything involved, maybe 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. I don't even have to add salt. The ham was salty enough. Oh yeah, flavors are just popping out. I'm standing here just eating. I got a nice fresh cup of coffee here. So hey guys, that's breakfast on day 2 out at Birch Grove. Thanks for tagging along and having breakfast with me. Until the next video, hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, punch my ugly mug. You'll be subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, eh? If you like this video and you like breakfast, give me a thumbs up. Look at that big piece egg. Oh. I'll put a couple videos up you can check out. Hey, until the next time, you all have a very, very nice day. Bye-bye.